justice with Judge Maybelline. Catherine Sams is suing restaurant owner Frederick Gruden in the amount of $15,000. She says she won a contest at the defendant's establishment and he misled her about the prize. Mr. Gruden claims he delivered on the promised item and the plaintiff should have paid better attention to the wording.
All rise. Raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes. I do.
Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Maybelline presiding. All parties are sworn in, Your Honor.
Thank you, and you may be seated. Ms. Sams is suing you, Mr. Gruden, for $15,000. She said you misled her on a prize that you offered, and she wants her prize. What was the prize, Ms. Sams? Tell me about it.
So I was promised a Toyota car for selling a certain amount of beers at this restaurant that I work for. And instead, on the day that I was promised this car, I was in the lead for the contest. I was given instead a toy Yoda. Super misleading. There was a whole spectacle. I was brought out into a parking lot, in front of an audience. All of the customers came out. There was a DJ. I was brought out in a golf cart. I was blindfolded. And then I was given this when I was very led to believe that I was going to be given a car.
Okay, now, you didn't tell me how you were led to believe that.
Well, he made flyers saying that you're going to ride away in a Toyota. He got a DJ. He was on the radio and did a spec on the radio. He also sent a text message to Angela here saying, who was in the lead for this new Toyota, that he was so excited, can't wait to see you ride away in it, all sorts of things.
All right, so now you've told me about all those pieces of evidence. Show me one piece of proof. Let's start with the first one.
This is
Where's the flyer?
Message.
Your Honor, I have the flyer.
You get yours in a minute. It's her turn now. Now, this is a text message.
Yes.
Okay, where's the flyer?
The flyer he has.
He has your evidence.
He has the flyer that
he has
put
your
out.
evidence.
Yes.
You said what the flyer said, but you're going to let him prove it.
No, because once you see the flyer.
Okay, let me see the flyer, Mr. Gruden. You don't allow other people to bring your evidence to court.
Well, this is what he's using to defend himself, but it's not lucrative.
Zonker's contest is Bazankas. The waitress who sells the most pumpkin spice Zonkers in 30 days wins a brand new Toyota. Toyoda. Did you read it?
I read it, but obviously I thought it was...
I just want one question. Did you read it?
I did read it, yes.
Okay. So you know how to spell Toyota for the vehicle?
Of course I know how to spell Toyota.
So you agree that this says Toyoda?
Yes.
Okay, that's the flyer. So your one piece of evidence that you said would prove that he was going to give you a Toyota vehicle is gone down the water. Because that's not what that flyer says. So that piece of evidence is gone. Do you have something from the DJ and what he said on the radio?
Yes.
Let me hear that.
Okay.
I understand you presented it to the bailiff already, that audio. Okay, play it. Let me hear it.
You're listening to 102.3 FM The Rock. And don't forget to get down to Bazanka's restaurant and participate in their popular Zonkers contest. All you got to do is purchase one of their all-new pumpkin spice Zonkers, and one of your favorite waitresses will ride away with a brand new Toyota. Support your favorite waitress at Bazanka's restaurant, located at 1103 East Front Street in downtown Bismarck.
Okay. There's a plus in your favor.
Yes.
We'll ride away. Can't ride away with that little thing.
I could not.
Okay. All right. Now you said there was a text message.
Yes.
But the text message was sent to someone else.
To Angela right here.
Angela, your witness. Angela, your turn. Ms. Wallingford, step forward. What do you have to say? Don't repeat what she said. Just tell me what you have to say.
I'm also a waitress at the restaurant. I work for Mr. Gruden. I've been there 2 years. And I was in on this contest as well. I'm really good at selling anything pumpkin spice. And I was also led to believe that we could win a car because, I mean, it has on the flyer, it has the Toyota logo. I thought it was more of a spelling mistake on the flyer. I mean, why would we work all these extra hours for a toy? I mean, don't get me wrong. Love Star Wars,
this email was sent to you when?
It was a text message. It was a week after the contest started.
A week after. You're leading the contest right now, baby girl. How know it was sent to you? I'm sorry, we'll hand this back to her. Point it out to me that it was sent to you. Or that it was sent to anybody in the company. Or that it was sent from Mr. Gruden.
Well, his name is on the top right here. Fred Gruden.
So that means it came from his telephone.
Yes.
But it doesn't say, I don't see who it went to.
Well, it was just screenshot from the phone.
You just screenshot that from the phone.
Yes.
You're winning the contest, baby girl.
Yes.
What's the next line?
Can you picture yourself with a brand new Toyota?
All
You'll
right.
look great cruising with it.
Toyota spelled correctly, by the way. In
Okay.
this text message.
So now we have 2 for 1, Toyota. All right, now, your turn, but you eventually, Miss Sams, sold the most Zonkers.
Yes, I did.
And you were pronounced the winner.
Yes.
And on that day, you had a big charade.
I sure did.
To announce you as the winner.
Yes, it was
blindfolded,
humiliating.
going out to the lot as though there were a vehicle there.
Yes, exactly.
And no vehicle.
No
Instead,
vehicle.
there
I
was
got
a
this wonderful little
Toyota.
dot.
Coming up on Justice with Judge Maybelline.
Maybe you can ride in this, I don't know. Ooh, and he ugly too.
We're back with the case of Catherine Sams, who is suing Frederick Gruden for false advertising.
Let me see that. There's a big difference.
Yes, there is.
Maybe you can ride in this, I don't know. Ooh, and he ugly too. Who would want to wear that? Oh
That's
no,
exactly
I'm such a wonderful toy for a kid. All right, you may have a seat, Miss Wallingford. I'm going to go over to this side now. Now, you presented the flyer that has Toyota.
Yes, Your Honor.
You prepared this?
Yes, I did. A friend of mine is a DJ at the radio station.
No, uh-huh.
And one fine day while we were having breakfast, I thought we would come up with something where we would have a small competition. And he thought Toyota and then a big play on this. And he also promised to just put it out on the radio.
No, I can't talk. You can talk about he. This is your business, right?
Yes, I put these
Bazonkas
flyers.
you own.
Yes, I do. And I put
Okay,
these
and
in
this is the advertisement for your place of business.
Yes, and it was put all over the business and around the neighborhood.
Right. And here you misspelled Toy. You didn't spell the car, but that emblem appears to be the Toyota car emblem. It certainly isn't the emblem of this little ugly thing.
Actually, if you see, Your Honor, the logo actually has ears for it. The Toyota thing would be just the middle part of it, just the circles. The Toyota logo, we actually put ears on it like Yoda does in Star Wars.
Well, so you say this little part right here with the 2 little ears sticking out
Yeah.
takes it away and makes it, you know that it's not the Toyota vehicle.
Yeah, and I made it sure by not showing actually a car picture or anything. It was just a Toyota, and I thought...
What about the DJ saying, this is your friend,
Yeah.
the DJ who's helping you promote this, who's driving people to your business? He clearly said, ride away with a brand new Toyota.
Yeah, right away with a brand new Toyota, and not exactly drive behind the wheel of a
You
Toyota.
can't ride in this thing.
No, but drive away with it.
I
Like
said
take it and drive away with it.
Ride away
And-
with one.
In the sense that they would have it as a rearview mirror hanging doll or sitting in their passenger
Very
seat for like a
misleading.
picture
The whole
or
thing is
something.
super misleading and
Okay,
humiliating.
now, what about the text message? Let me have it again. I want to repeat exactly what it says. I don't like to mislead
Please do.
people. Can you picture yourself with a brand new Toyota? You'll look great cruising with it. What about that?
It was the phone. It auto-corrected my Toyota with a D into Toyota with a T.
No. This says Toyota T.
Yes, it does, but it was not me texting it. It was a spelling mistake, and by the time I
Oh, you
realized
didn't correct it.
the phone auto-corrected it.
How does she know it's a phone
Exactly.
autocorrect?
How am I
Typing
supposed
the
to know that?
email, typing the message, and sending it was so fast I didn't even realize that
Well,
it got...
now, Mr. Gruden, you're a businessman. You know you can't do things so fast. You gotta let people know exactly what you mean. You were trying to get people to your business.
We never said that it was a car, nor did we get a model. Your Honor, if I
but
really
you
had a
wanted them
car...
to believe that it was, did you not?
It was the fun of
And
the
that's why
word.
she believed she was getting a car. That's why she was motivated to sell. And you should have given her the car. And that's why the judge is going to order you to give her that $15,000. No, that's not what a Toyota costs. A brand new Toyota, it's more than $15,000. However, you're limited to the request and to what you've asked the court to give you. And it's my judgment and finding that a reasonable and prudent person would have believed and was led to believe that you were going to offer a vehicle. And therefore, I am ordering you to give her $15,000. It would have been $30,000 had she said, give me the cost of a Toyota. And that is the judgment. Pay the woman $15,000.
Judge Maybelline has ruled in favor of the plaintiff. The defendant is ordered to pay $15,000.
I can't believe that I had to pay you $15,000. It was clearly spelled with a D.
I don't care if this was some kind of practical joke, but I'm finally going to get the car that I deserve.